Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Starting off the brand new year of continuing working on the quilt that I made for Pop and I, and we're just going to do a little bit of ruler work. So stick with me as I do that, and then I'm going to have Walt do some ribbon candy in this part here, and that'll be some little extra footage afterwards, okay? So come venture along with me, run some rainbow color. So it is off the belts. I do have my ruler plate on. Okay, and it's very a free motion-y sort of. I just kind of want to stick inside the gray, not necessarily stitching in the ditch, but I want to be able to see it as it goes around. Okay, so I'm just going to line up my ruler, make sure I'm happy with it, and then hit start, and off we go. Okay, it's be flat on the top. Okay. Hopefully everybody's new year so far so good. I know we're still on the beginning days in, but I'm hopeful. If nothing else, I am hopeful. Oh, doesn't match perfectly there. You know what? I don't care. I love it anyways. I know Pop does too. Kind of look like little rainbow mountains, don't they? It was a lot of fun working with this this color, the color variations of this fabric. It was beautiful. A little confusing on a couple of the red scales, but maybe it's just some people can see it more prominent than others, the tiny little shades. And but I certainly enjoy putting it together. And then, of course, I loved the fact I could bulk it up even bigger than I think it was 88 by 88, and I made it a big one. You know, I wanted to make sure it fit Pop and I's king-size bed, even if it was just like a pretty cover, right? Oops. It's okay. It's okay. So you gotta stay focused. Don't forget to move and breathe. You take a few stitches out of place. It's okay. I'm not building a piano. Okay, I'll come up to this corner here. Yeah, I think that's where I had to stop. I don't think I can get down one more. All right. Unless I roll it. That's okay. We can do that later. Okay. That looks pretty. That looks pretty. See a little flubby up there and a little flubby up there. But you know what? It's okay. Who's going to come and look at it with a magnifying glass? I won't let anybody in. So I'll do some ribbon candy here. I actually get Walt to do it. Trim up a bunch of threads first. It's very essential to do that. And the next few long arms are just going to be me finishing this up because I don't want it being a UFO part of my 2020 into 2021 too much longer than it's, taken me already. So I still have the little peel to do down on the checkered sections over here, and then I did put the heart that's in the border. I put that up here above, and then for this one here, I haven't quite decided what exactly I wanted to do yet. I thought about just doing again with the whole peel to kind of keep it into motion of that, but I don't. Do I just focus on the white? Do I just focus maybe on the colors? I thought also of doing just like a little loop, and then here, and then a loop. But when it comes to some of the smaller ones, they're going to run really close to each other, and then that kind of leaves this spot empty. But if I come back and do a loop there, I don't know. I'm still working on that one. I have the time, so I'll just putter away at it. I really like this one. I'm probably just going to go highlight it, just like that. I don't think we can get there today. No, we could run it. Let's roll it just a smidge, and let's work on that since it's here. Okay. Just my ruler plate was hitting the back. There we go. Straighten that out a bit. Okay. Just to stitch in the white. See if I can do it better without the ruler. Sometimes when it comes to the horizontal and the vertical, it's a little bit easier without. It's the angles that I have issues with and need the ruler to help make sure I can try and get them nice and straight. See, not bad, not bad. Okay, this is where we're going to try and stitch right to the top as close as possible. Alright. Oh, look at those purples. And those purples and the blues together. Alright, as close as possible. There we go. Not bad. Excellent. I'll probably stick a nice big heart down here in these gray sections, facing the way in, and then we'll probably do, there's a lovely little corner feather that I really like, and we'll probably get that to stitch over there too. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. Don't forget to come join us on Saturday. We're doing a 12-hour stream. We're going to make some Oreo cheesecake dip balls. I don't know, the boys want to try it, so we're going to give it a go. And we got a nice little fun project that we're going to work on. It's a pixelated snowflake, so, and hopefully we can make 2, but if not, that's okay. And we're busting our stash for this year, so I'm using blues and browns. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix some weird colors, and we're just going to see how it goes. So come join us on Saturday at 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay, big hugs everybody. We'll see you soon.